everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. What I'm about to do right now is I'm about to take these injectors right here, these injectors that was in my car. Don't mind the Brian from Garage Built TV wrote this on there when he shipped them to me, but yeah, I'm gonna take them to get clean. I'm not gonna throw them back in the car with the fresh motor and some shitty injectors. So what I'm about to do right now is go take these to get clean, and then I'm gonna stop by and I gotta drop off the harness for that Focus, and I'm gonna get some footage of that Focus and let you guys see it. I know you guys haven't seen it in a while. Supposedly we got the axles in. We got the so we got axles, the turbo kit, and a lot of shit came in. So the motor supposedly is in the car right now. So I'm gonna go over there and check on it. I haven't seen it in a while. So I'm gonna drop off the harness and check on it and keep you guys updated on that as well. But so let's get the day started.
Back down and around and up and out here.
Just go through that little hole right there, man.
No, you can't. I can't.
It's gonna hit the tire?
Well, that's where my wiring harness one is gonna go through.
You might have to drill a hole for the engine harness. Cause it's going the. Oh, y'all already painted the bay. I didn't even notice. Damn, bro.
They painted for fucking.
I ain't been here in a long ass time.
I know you're supposed to come back and help.
I know.
We thought you forgot about us.
He was helping.
So, anyways, yeah, it comes just like the Hondas. It comes through right inside the hole.
You gonna tuck it in there?
Yeah, I'm just gonna route it right back into the K-Pro.
Oh shit.
It might not be long enough, huh?
I don't know if that harness
If not,
is long.
I can always extend shit.
Dude, that shit's a pain in the ass, dude.
Oh, I fucking already extended my ABS wiring.
Dude, this shit, dude, the whole thing came out.
Just drill a hole right there somewhere.
Yeah, and put it like all Hondas. That's how the Hondas ones are. Just drill a hole and just run it right through the glove box.
We'll see.
Dude, this shit came out fucking nice. It's way cleaner than I thought the front end was gonna be.
Oh, it doesn't make you proud.
What's up? Is it an SVT bumper? Oh shit. Does it fit?
It's $675.
Does it fit?
Yeah, it barely, like that much of the intercooler sticks out from underneath. So I need to get a lip on it. I don't have a lip. That's the next piece of I'm piecing that thing together, and I'm like $1,000 already into that bumper.
Dude, you're gonna be like.
And I got the rear SVT bumper too.
Dang, Andy. Good thing you went K, bro. Instead of doing that Ford. Is that motor still here? You sold it.
What's that?
That motor still here?
No, I just got it out back still.
Sell it, man.
Well, I will once I have this thing up and running. Until it's running, I'm not getting rid of nothing.
Why? You don't need that. There's no way to go back to that.
There's ways.
There's no way to go back to that.
But I need to get all the mounting hardware for the shifting shit so I can mount my shifter fits under that fucking console so nicely.
What mounting hardware do you need?
I need the bracket.
The bracket? I think I have one.
And then I need the little washers with the little. I have cotter keys. That's no big deal.
I think I have one of these brackets because mine is a. I actually do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd buy it off if you have it.
I use the one that goes this way for the freaking rear-wheel drive.
But the shifter, boy, if I get the right length out of that one, it's close.
Oh snap!
It's close.
It does fit in there. Yeah, it'll fit in there. You might have to notch it though for when you go over.
That's all right.
Or just not. Yeah, you just might have to notch it. But dang, what's up with the steering rack? He took that up.
Ran just factory. Took the lines off it.
No, the steering rack.
The steering rack.
Yeah.
It's in there.
No, it's disconnected.
Oh, disconnected from there?
Oh, yeah.
It's just disconnected. It's not. There's nothing wrong with it.
Oh.
There's nothing wrong. It's just disconnected.
Why didn't you have them do like a 5-lug or a 4-lug for a 4x1?
Because then I have to get two different tires, two different wheels. Fuck
but look, if you did a 4x100,
it's not hard to have them go. They'll make me new hubs.
Yeah, if you did a 4x100, it would have been.
Because they have all my schematics already there at the drive shaft shop. All I was going to say is, hey, I want a 5-lug, and I should have did is put in Honda studs, because then I could have used the ARPs from. Now I got a full set of ARPs from Speed Factory that I'm going to use because they're Honda.
Something.
You can return it. I have 20 of those. How do you put it on
So
my
buy them.
They'll just sit in the back lot. I'll find something for them.
Dang, it came out good, man. One time you actually listened to me, man. One time you listened to me, and you told him, you. And I'm like, hey man, go K. You're like, all right, I tell him.
It's K.
It's K.
You know what's even worse than that? Is you screwed up my angle.
Oh.
Because I was over here, I had still got out of the trailer from Stas, still sitting here, right? And there's a customer up here, and he has a Subaru. And he's like, oh yeah, man, fuck, I'm doing a build right now. I'm like, oh yeah, what are you building? He goes, well, I'm doing a K-swap in a BMW. I go, well, that's funny. I'm doing a K-swap right now on a little Focus. He goes, really? He goes, yeah. And we walk around the sign, and he comes over to this side, right? And he's looking at it, he goes,
Is it EK?
I've seen this car before. It's got bullet holes on that side. I'm like, what?
You watch my videos?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, you only got called out, man. Like some bitch, I didn't want everybody to know. And then I guess it was
What is he building?
Huh?
A BMW?
He was building a BMW, yeah. K-swap BMW.
I don't know nobody doing a K-swap BMW.
Yeah, that's what he was telling me.
Shit, I'm getting famous, bro.
So, but yeah, he knew all about this car and everything. And then Luis is saying some people were like chiming in saying, oh, we've seen that car going up there with the motor on the back of the trailer and blah, blah, blah.
Oh, when you were hauling it?
Yeah, when I was hauling it to Stas's house. So, I don't know. We'll see. It's getting there. It's getting there. Now I got the wiring harness. I can tuck everything and see where it's going to go. I can put the axles in, see where they're going to go.
Yeah, it definitely came out good. Like the whole front end. I didn't know you were going to do all of that.
Well, I wasn't going to originally. But I was like, you know what? It'd be better to brace that thing in spot. Because this thing is my curb finder. This sits like this much lower than my fucking bumper. So then when I put that bumper lip on, I'll probably be down to here. And it's above my oil pan. So it's got to be good.
So you'd be all right.
Yeah, it's got to be good. But I had to bring it forward. I had to bring it along. That's why I had to cut this piece out. I had to bring it forward, and that's why it's notched out this way. So it still fits under the bumper.
Yeah, but you just brought it forward.
Oh, it's all the way as far forward as I can go. It can't go no more unless I'm going through the bumper.
That's a clean design though. Like it's a really clean design.
Well, thanks. I fabricated that myself.
You did?
Yeah.
I know you could weld.
I
thought you were just like a shop manager, and then that's it.
No, this is where I started. Is out here in this shit. The only thing I don't know how to do is TIG weld. I'd love to learn how to do that.
Well, either way, it still came out good for MIG welding. It's clean.
It's all right. I could have been better.
This is aluminum, or
this is steel. This is aluminum.
yeah, I know this is aluminum, but
these are steel.
This is steel. This is steel too.
Yeah, this is a straight flat stock from Lowe's. This is angle iron from Lowe's, and this is the factory one that I just cut.
So are you gonna weld this to this, or are you gonna bolt it?
Bolt it.
You're gonna bolt it to here?
Yep. And I'll take a steel plate inside of this hole right here. And I want to run it inside, and that way the bolts will go through steel and it'll be pinched through the whole thing.
So this disconnects completely, right?
Yeah, I can unbolt that. I can unbolt the whole front end off.
So just weld this to this, so you could.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Why
Because to get these bolts off here, I can't get, see back in there, in the hole, I can't get to those tins.
Oh.
So I got to pull this off. Yeah, I can slide this out of the way and then get to it once these bolts are out of the way.
But man, once you put the car back together, I promise you're not gonna want to take the front end off.
No, you're right. You're probably right. Unless I crash it.
Well, yeah, that's true. If you crash it, it's an easy fix because you could just easily just unbolt it and remake it.
And exactly it. If I weld it on, I got to cut it all apart and shit.
If you're gonna put the motor back in, you're probably just gonna drop it down if you take it out.
Fuck that, if I take the motor out, I'm taking this shit off, taking this out, I'm coming right out the front, just the way we went.
Yeah, it was easy. Dang.
So, yeah, it didn't turn out too bad.
No, it turned out really, really good. You just gotta extend that track tough thing right here.
Yep.
I thought this Speed Factory manifold came out a little bit more.
So, and I did talk to those guys over there. Kevin was saying if they had to, they can make a little plate to come out and angle it a little bit. But I'm thinking, fuck, that's driving me right here. It's just like this. Hold on, we got these. Look at how tight this gets for a blow off. Fuck.
Oh, you mean the wastegate?
For a wastegate, excuse me, yeah. This thing gets super close.
And it's dual wastegates, right?
Yeah. So you got one.
One down bottom.
That fucker's close.
Yeah, best I would do, man, I'll put it on and just dump them down.
Straight down, yeah.
Yeah, just dump those straight down.
So then this one is right here.
Yeah, and you just turn them.
So yeah, that one's the close one though. My brakes, boy, they're getting close.
Why don't you just, you want to do the,
shit inside? Yeah.
Are you going to run the hood exit? That's what you want to run, right?
Yeah, passenger side hood exit.
Shit, it'll be clean.
I'm trying to get it clean. I'm trying to get it clean, but efficient enough to go. You know what I mean?
Dude, this is like some car show material shit right here.
That's my first build, so we'll see.
Well, you definitely going all out.
Well, I got my next one already figured out.
What's that?
I got an RX-7, 87 RX-7 turbo, LS3 swap,
Oh, LS3.
and then I'm gonna take a 13B turbo running gear transmission and dump it in the back.
Oh shit.
That's my $300 bucket right there.
What is this?
It's a 1959 Nash Metropolitan.
I've never heard of this.
This fucking thing's crazy, dude. Little clown car.
I've never heard of this.
Little clown car. I figure a rotary turbo.
So you're gonna put a rotary engine in here?
Yeah, why not? See that?
What kind of ghetto shit is that?
It runs.
Oh, you own a body shop, so I guess you could do the repairs, right?
Oh yeah. Ghetto ride, little rotary. This is as big as a rotary.
Yeah.
Rear wheel drive. I should be able to make it work. Cut a
Shit.
tunnel in it, make it go.
Damn, Andy.
So this one's down. This is getting 13V turbo, and then my turbo car is going to get an LS3 swap.
All motor?
All motor. Yeah. Well, maybe I might go turbo on it. I don't know.
Right, once you go boosted, you're gonna boost everything.
Yeah, probably.
You're gonna boost everything. What size turbo was that?
62, 66, I believe it was. Is that right? Does that sound right?
No. Was it 60? No, it was a 6466, I think. I think this one was a 6466.
Maybe that's what it was.
But yeah, I'll look for this bracket when I get home. I know I got it in the tub, and it just sits right
Yeah,
there.
that'd be awesome. Because that's really the only thing holding me up from shifter. Hey, no. I knew you were putting together something. So.
Yeah, I always like.
So I
shit, post
actually
them up
have
on
been
YouTube.
mocking all this shit up and figuring it out with cardboard and whatnot first, and
Dang, dude, that front end design actually came out really, really nice.
so if anybody wanted to focus swap it, bam, there's your template.
Ooh. Way cleaner than I thought it was. I thought you were just gonna modify, hack it up with like something or modify that. And make
I
it
try
work.
to make it look clean somewhat, but at the end of the day, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
You do have a lot of room in there. Can't see from there, but yeah, it clears. Everything clears.
Oh, it should work. Everything should work.
Everything clears. This is you gonna be able to figure all this shit out?
Well, there's a bunch of cutting out.
Oh, that you don't need
Yeah.
in this wiring?
Yeah. I just haven't ran it yet. I mean, I got my cooling fans lined up here, ready to go. And I'm just gonna run the harness down underneath and across the other side so I can catch the ABS system. But other than that, I think that's all I really need out of there is ABS. GoPro runs everything else.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'll need half of that, not even half of that. So,
Whoa, man, this came out good.
anyway,
Yeah, it came out really, really good.
well, hopefully one day we'll run into Stas and look at this work and go, damn, that looks all right.
Yeah, I'll show him the video and it came out really, really good.
Well, it ain't done yet. Next, Louise said get the axles in. Next, pretty much I'm there, man. It's just a matter of putting
K-Pro, wastegates.
yeah, fuel regulator.
You got your blow-off valve or everything already?
Yeah, should have everything. Wait,
That's a
right
wastegate.
Right
Blow-off
here.
valve?
Yeah.
That thing looks small, dude.
Well,
Let's look. Nah, that's a Turbo Smart. Actually pretty good. Yeah.
so it's all here, man.
The bullet hole focus in one case swap.
The last element needed were the ARP studs.
You got a new back bumper as well?
Yeah, I got the
SVT?
SVT with the fucking grill.
So are you actually gonna paint it?
Yeah.
Make it clean instead of just leaving the bullet holes?
Yes. I was gonna leave it, but then
No.
it's like, fuck, it's this clean already.
Dude.
And I'm going that 2020 Mercedes-Benz blue.
I haven't seen it.
That's what that color is.
Oh, the bay?
Yeah, that's what that color is. Because we had a 2020 Benz in here. I was like, man, that's a nice
Oh,
color.
so this is the...
Yeah, that's the new color.
Dang.
I don't have any light.
You gonna do your match that?
Maybe.
That'll be clean.
Maybe. We'll see. I just want to hear it run first. You know what I mean?
Dude,
My So my goal, remember my goal was, at the end of August, I wanted to at least hear it run.
Oh, that's easy. All you gotta do is wire in the shit and you
I'm
can at least turn it over.
Look how close I am.
Yeah.
I'm almost there. So, yeah, I'm probably make it in reality in September, but that's all right. I'm not trying to rush. Take
all good,
time,
man.
do it right first time, be done with it.
I'm actually shocked. Like that shit came out really, really clean.